Hello everyone, and welcome to this demo of our AI-powered to-do calendar scheduler. Managing time effectively in today's fast-paced world can be a real struggle, but with our tool, planning your day becomes effortless. On the screen, you'll see two browser windows side by side. The left displays the AI Agent To-Do Calendar Scheduler with a text box and date selector, while the right shows a blank Google Calendar. To get started, simply enter a list of tasks with their estimated timeframes. For example, let's add 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., learn something, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., code, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., meeting, and 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., game. After inputting your tasks, select the date you wish to plan for using the date selector. Here we're choosing January 15, 2025. Once the details are entered, click the Schedule Task button, and that's it. Your tasks are automatically scheduled. Our AI engine smartly populates your Google Calendar with each task at its corresponding time. You can see Learn Something scheduled at 9 a.m., Code at 1 p.m., and Meeting at 3 p.m. By clicking on each calendar entry, you can view additional details or notes associated with the task. For instance, clicking the Game task reveals its description, showcasing how seamlessly our tool integrates with Google Calendar to help you stay organized. Scrolling through the calendar provides a complete overview of your day, ensuring you're always on top of your priorities. That's our AI-powered to-do calendar scheduler in a nutshell. If you're interested in how this tool can help you manage your time more effectively, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates and exciting future tools.